Hey journeys, where y'all been? It's Unique and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to come and bring you guys a video about what I got for my birthday. For y'all who don't know, my birthday is April 20th and these are some of the things that my close family and friends got for me. I'm so excited to see everything that's here and what's in store for me, and I'm really grateful for everybody who thought about me on my birthday. So if y'all interested in seeing what I got, then definitely stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna start with cards. The first card is one that I got from my mom, so let's open it and see what she said. Daughter, can't help feeling blessed remembering the day you were born, thinking about the little girl. Ooh, money child. You grew to be, delight in the Lord and he will give you the desires of your heart. Psalm 37:4. Seeing the beautiful person you're becoming, thanking God for you on your birthday. Love you always and forever. Enjoy your 31st birthday. Your mother, Wanda. Thank you. Okay y'all, so the next card is from my nephew AJ. About to see what it's giving. He actually came over to visit me this morning as well, y'all. Happy you day. It is a you day. You for unique, period. That is so cute. 420. Enjoy your valuable time and always feel high off life. Love, AJ. Thank you. That ain't dropped, but it's in there. The next thing is from my wax technician. Her name is Devin. So she gave me this when I went and get my wax yesterday. It's got some candy in there. There's a scented candle. It's called Very Vanilla Cupcake. It smells like really sweet and mild, and I feel like it's so fitting for a birthday. So shout out to her for the thoughtfulness. Okay. Next thing is a exfoliation brush, which is so appropriate. And then she also gave me like a little oil that I can use for after wax care. And then there's this pretty bracelet and it says Fearless. That's so cute. Thank you so much, Devin, for thinking about me. This is crazy because I literally just met her like a week ago. So the fact that she got me all this stuff for my birthday, I'm really grateful. Next is a no-name gift. The next thing I got is from Flame. I'm gonna open this one because I'm so curious. I'm like, is it a tripod? It's in such a weird shape. Y'all, Flame wraps so good. You ain't gonna be able to get in there, period. Okay, y'all. I'm like, is it a tripod? No, baby, my mother boots about to be on the ground. I was gonna put my boots up, but why would I do that? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? This is so cute. It says, where them fans at? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Y'all, I'm going dancing. Period. I love this. Okay, I definitely thought that was a tripod though. All right, this is the next one. It's giving Christmas box. I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, it's giving bougie box, babe. Y'all don't see the material, but you're gonna see the material. I'm so confused. This is on ours, boys. I'm keeping this box. I don't know what it is, but this is ours. It smells good in here. It ain't got no roaches or nothing. There's not a clue on this. Pretty box. Like, who does this? I'm more excited about the box than what's inside of the box. Like, it's so cute. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I got my boots on the ground. We not canceling them, babe. We keeping them out. Tag the motherfucker rodeos in the comment section. Where's the rodeos? I'm going to a rodeo this summer. Like, I got my fucking boots on the ground. These are so cute. Thank you, babe. I can wear these with like some denim shorts and even the top that I got on right now. I'm feeling like that'll be a moment. What y'all think? Like, put it together for me in the comments, because y'all know I don't be styling, but that's what came to my head and I love those. So thank you, thank you. Clock it. Where I want to go next? Let's see what I got from my mom. Very true mom fashion. I see clothes already in a big bag. That's heavy. Fix it, Jesus. It's so heavy. Woo! Girl, stuff is just, it's falling out from everywhere. So a little bag, okay. Can I put food in here? What is this for? Yes, it's a lunch bag. I needed this really bad, like more than y'all know. And it got lunch in it. I'm joking. It's some trail mix. She is so thoughtful. Like, how does she come up with this stuff? Like, a little cup. Like, who is she? And it got flowers. Like, y'all, I'm not as good at gift giving as the people that's in my life. Like, I don't know how they think it is. It got an F on it for flame. And this is the lunch bag. Cute. Thank you, Mom. I got a hairbrush for when I bring the wigs back. And a little outfit. It looked like a tracksuit. She's trying to say I need to be working out. Am I? Girl, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit my little booty in these, but my big booty that I'm about to grow. Y'all wait. So that's cute. That is so cute. Thank you, Mom. It's real heavy too. Another box. Let's see what's in here. I shouldn't be this geek, but I am. It's just Adidas, bitch. No, I think it's the Adidas that I want. Let's see. It's the ones I want. Ah! Oh my gosh. Can I wear these today? These are so cute. Allegedly, you gotta break these in, so I'm gonna start tomorrow. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm excited about these. This is like one thing that was on my list that I really want to have. I saw them on Instagram and I was just like, girl, give me the T on the shoes. And then I seen them again yesterday. I'm like, girl, give me the T on the shoes. And then they just popped up. So I'm happy I got them. Then I got this card, assuming, I don't know. Ooh, it's giving like spring and Easter vibes. Happy birthday. Oh, it's a box. Okay. Okay. This is cute.
And let me show you something real quick.
Let her show me something. Oh, she sings.
And then you can blow the candle when it blows out.
Oh, honey. Is she copyright? Who knows? But it's a vibe. Like, how cute is that? Babe, where you get this from? TikTok shop. Okay. I made a wish. This is cute as hell. That is so cute. Oh, I didn't read the note. I'm gonna read that separately because I might cry in front of y'all. And we're not doing that today. Like, not the 31st birthday. We're not doing it. Here's the next one. Y'all, look at this packaging. Like, get into it. Ooh, I got a wireless keyboard for my iPad. So I'm gonna be on there typing. Something's loading. I wanted this for a specific reason. So yeah, when y'all see it, and support your girl, okay? But I'm excited about this. So last but not least is a gift from my homegirl Tony. It came in this carrier right here. This is cute as hell. Like, girl, get into this fabric. Let me run y'all closer. I know you feel it. I know you feel it. Okay, let's see what he got. A bottle of wine, because she know I just finished the last one. So get into her. This is the Stella Rosa Lemon Lime. This is such a cute bottle. And it's green because, you know, that's the Taurus colors. Next thing is a makeup band, which I need because I be getting foundation on these braids left and right. It's crazy. This is really, really cute. I like it. It's like fuzzy and soft. What a vibe. And then topicals. Who is this girl? Okay. This is my first one ever. I never had this before, but I heard great things. So I'm excited to try these masks out. Let me know if y'all tried them and like what y'all experience been like. But yeah. TTT. Y'all like a baby? Tell me nothing. Okay. This is a cute bag. It's Steve Madden. Check it out. Get into the details, baby. Get into it. She's cute. I know you see it. I know y'all see it. Put the outfits in the comments, y'all. Put it in the comments. And she's deep. Ooh, she got a treat. It's another part. Okay. Now I see it. Yes. So you can put like a little money in this one. You can do a little card in there if you want to. A little lip gloss. And it's a crossbody. Or you can take these off and just wear it like a regular handbag. And it got like a pocket on the inside. And she deep, because y'all know I got a lot of shit. So this is perfect. It's not too big, it's not too small. Like, I feel like it's really efficient for like everything that I be having in my bag. So I'm excited to wear this. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed watching everything that I got for my birthday. I do feel extremely blessed having all this love and support. Like, all these people to just think about me on my special day. It really means a lot to me. So let me know y'all favorite gift in the comment section. And I will see y'all next week for another video. Bad journeys. Oh yeah, happy birthday to all the Taurus. Gang, gang, gang.